Are you supposed to write mathematical literacy term 1 test? If yes, or if it's a case, please make sure that you watch this video till the end, because I will provide a scope and a teaching plan for mathematical literacy grade 12. Okay? So, when you do your studies, the very first thing you will come across during your week number 1 of your term 1 studies is understanding financial documents. So that's your very first topic that you will come across. So we kick off the term by exploring key financial documents. Learners will engage with tax forms like IRP5S and the loan agreement from banks and other institutions. The focus is on interpreting tables, graphs, and understanding break-even points. Please subscribe to this channel and reach that notification bell and like this video so that you may get notified when we make more videos. So by week 2, you will come across personal taxation. That's your another topic. So this week dives into personal income tax. Learners will distinguish between taxable and non-taxable income, calculate rebates, understand UIF limits, and apply VAT at 15%. It's all about making sense of how tax affects everyday earnings. So, coming to week 3, your topic will be tariff systems. The learners compare different tariffs systems: electricity, telephone, municipal, banking, and transport. They will interpret tables, graphs, and formula to understand how costs are structured and calculated. So you must go through this topic as well, because your term 1 test will cover it. Okay? So when we move forward to week 4, income, expenditure, profit, and loss will be your topic for week 4. We look at financial performance over time. Learners analyze income and expenses for large organizations or fundraising projects, comparing projected budgets with actual outcome to determine profit or loss. It's your to-do list. So, week 5, cost price, selling price, and break-even point. It's another topic you will come across. So this week focuses on the business side of finance. Learners calculate production cost, set appropriate selling prices, determine percentage profit, and use graphs and formulas to find break-even points. So you must make sure that you cover it as well. So, week 6, data collection and classification. It's another topic. So shifting to data handling, learners develop questions on national and global issues. They collect data using interviews and questionnaires, then organize it using tallies, frequency tables, and categories. And remember guys, Exam Ready Network for grade 8 up to 12 is your channel you should watch in all the subjects. Week 7, summarizing data. Learners calculate quantiles, interquartiles range, percentiles, and measures of central tendency like mean, median, and mode. They'll also analyze how data is spread across a data set. So that's what you'll be dealing with in the topic of summarizing data in your week number 7 of your study. So, week number 8, data representation and analysis. This week is all about visual data. Learners interpret pie charts, histograms, bar graphs, line graphs, scatter plots, and box and whisker plots to make sense of real-world information. You must make sure that you do cover that when you do your studies, because it will come in your test. Okay, week number 9, probability will be your topic. Learners explore the likelihood of events, simple and compound. They use dice, coins, and lottery examples to understand theoretical probabilities, relative frequency, tree diagram, and two-way tables. So that's what will be covered in probability. When we go to week number 10, banking and interest. So we return to finance with a focus on loans and hire purchase agreements. Learn us calculate interest, repayments, and understand balloon and residual values in financial contracts. If you've watched till this far, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and comment anything. So week 11, investments, insurance, and inflation is your topic. The term rate talks with banking products and inflation. Learners analyze investments plan, insurance charges, and how inflation affects buying power over time. They'll also interpret exchange rates and currency relationship. Please like this video, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. See ya.